In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to your Google Calendar using various methods depending on your integration needs. Let's dive right in. One of the simplest ways is to embed your Google Calendar within Notion, giving you a view-only access. To start, head over to Google Calendar. You'll want to make your calendar public to share it. Go to Settings, select your desired calendar, and click on Access Permissions. Here, you'll need to check Make Available to Public. This step ensures that your calendar can be accessed via a public URL. Once that's set, scroll down to Integrate Calendar and copy the public URL provided. Now open Notion and navigate to the page where you'd like your calendar to appear. Simply type embed, then paste that URL you just copied. Your Google Calendar will now be embedded within Notion as an interactive and read-only calendar. This method is straightforward, but remember, since the calendar is public, anyone with the link can view your events. You'll also need to make any edits directly in Google Calendar. If you're looking for a more integrated experience, consider using the Notion Calendar app for deeper syncing. Start by downloading and installing the app for either Mac or Windows. Once installed, log in with your Notion account. Now you'll need to connect your Google Calendar account through the app's settings, which will allow authorization for syncing. Ensure your Notion workspace is connected and that you have a calendar view set up in your Notion databases to allow proper syncing. This setup facilitates two-way syncing, enabling you to manage events directly in Notion, with the data updating in real time within your Google Calendar. For those interested in a more customized approach, third-party automation tools like Zapier, Make, or AppyPie Automate might be the way to go. These platforms allow you to create workflows that sync events between Google Calendar and Notion. For example, they can automatically add your Google Calendar events to your Notion databases or vice versa. While these tools require some setup, they offer a flexible and automated two-way synchronization. Notion has also introduced native Google Calendar integrations, ensuring seamless syncing of calendars and events directly inside Notion. You can find these integrations either in the Notion Calendar product itself or through the workspace settings. It's as simple as following the prompts to connect your accounts. There are a few considerations to keep in mind when choosing your integration method. Embedding is quick and easy, but only provides a viewable mode with a privacy trade-off. Deeper integrations require authentication and linking of accounts, which might need admin permissions. Opting for two-way syncing with third-party tools can offer a high degree of customization, albeit with added complexity. By employing these methods, you can tailor your integration from simple embedding to full bidirectional functionality, greatly enhancing productivity by keeping your calendars and tasks unified within Notion and Google Calendar. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for watching.